Hey guys, it's Sydney with Porch Light Hospitality. Welcome to Austin 412. My first tip is lighting. Make sure that you're intentionally lighting your space so that your guests are walking into a welcoming environment. The first example of this would be to have lamps by your bedside table instead of just doing overhead fluorescent lighting. Another example would be putting sconces by your vanity instead of having only overhead lighting, because it's the first impression that guests are going to see. My next tip is upgrade your soaps. So between body wash, conditioner, and shampoo, you have so many different bottles going. If you pick one scent or brand, you can get them all looking uniform, and it's a sleek introduction to the bathroom. And it also provides your stay with a signature scent that people are going to remember later on and remind them of their stay. My next tip is nice pillows. There's nothing worse than going and staying at a guest house and having flat, cheap pillows that you don't want to sleep on. And it's a really cheap and inexpensive way to upgrade and elevate your stay for someone. I recommend doing 2 to 4 pillows per person, down-filled, and then adding in some decorative pillows as well. My fourth tip is investing in high-quality towels and linens. You don't want to be using towels that are old and raggedy and aren't a comfortable, plush experience. So make sure that you're changing them out frequently, getting uniform ones, not ones with patterns that you would maybe use by the pool or something. And then as far as sheets, make sure that they're very luxe and feel fresh and clean, since that is one of the most tangible items that your guests will be interacting with during their stay. My last tip is streamlining your dishes. So don't just use a hodgepodge of dishware. Instead, make sure you're intentionally picking them out and placing them so that they elevate the guest experience by not only using them, but they're a great focal point for your decor. Joe, did you have anything to add?
I'm good.
And that's all, guys. I hope those 5 tips help you elevate your guest experience as you're setting up your Airbnb. Feel free to reach out with any questions that you might have.
That's it.